Today I'm making my mom's chocolate coffee cake. Originally, when she got the recipe, she had to ask my grandmother and my great aunt for their recipes and figure out what ingredients each one left out. So I slightly altered the recipe to make it slightly healthier because both of them used canola oil, which isn't the greatest thing for you. So you start out with coconut oil. If you do prefer vegetable oil or canola oil, you can use that. So you start out with 1 cup of that. You put it into your mixer. You're gonna cream your 1 cup of oil with 4 eggs. So add that to your mix master. Now, coconut oil has a high heat point. You're going to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Also, make sure you grease your bundt pan or whatever cake pan you're using very well. So I got my 4 eggs. I'm going to cream that together first. So now, since I'm using a more dense oil, I'm definitely going to have to scrape the sides a little. Okay, next you're going to be adding, she left out the sour cream, my mom. You're going to be adding 1/2 cup of sugar. Next. Okay, next you're going to add a whole 15-ounce container of light sour cream. I already added the 1 cup, well, 1/2 cup, I'm sorry, of sugar. So add that in. We're going to mix that together next. Okay, next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to give that a little whirl, and then I'm going to slowly add, I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can add 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and there's 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to add all of those, and after that, I'm going to slowly add the flour. Slowly adding the flour. I do about 1/2 cup at a time. And after I'm done with that, I'm adding 12 ounces of chocolate chips. You could do milk chocolate or the semi-sweet. I prefer the milk chocolate. I did a combination of both this time. The dough batter is a little bit stickier, so I'm going to bake it at 325 for 50 minutes. I did add an extra ounce of chocolate chips because I did not like the placement, and we will see what it looks like coming out.